Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to Jane Easy English. Today, I'm going to share a story about a letter, a mystery, a memory, and the day I learned something that changed my heart. You will hear simple English narration and clear conversations, so listen closely and repeat if you want to practice. Are you ready? Let's begin. It was Saturday morning. The sunshine was soft, the room was quiet, and I was cleaning my old drawer. I wasn't looking for anything special until my brother walked in.
Jane, are you busy?
Just cleaning. Why? What happened?
I found something in the basement. I think it belongs to you.
He held a small wooden box. This is mine. I used to keep letters and small treasures in this.
Open it then. Maybe you'll find something interesting.
My hands were shaking a little. Not because I was scared, but because memories are powerful. When you touch them, they touch you back. I opened the box slowly. Inside, there were old photos, dried petals, and a folded envelope.
What's that? A letter?
Yes, but I don't remember writing or receiving this. The envelope said, "Open when you feel lost." Suddenly, a doorbell rang. It was Mia, my best friend since childhood. "Hey, I'm here early, I know. What are you two doing?"
Jane found a secret letter.
Secret letter. Okay, I'm staying. This sounds fun.
I opened the letter slowly. Inside was a message written in my mother's handwriting. I felt my throat tighten. It's from Mom.
Read it, Jane.
I unfolded the paper and began reading aloud. The letter said, "My dear Jane, if you are reading this, it means you feel lost. Life can become heavy, and sometimes your heart feels tired. But remember this, you are not alone. You are brave, you are gentle, and one day you will shine in ways you cannot imagine." I could feel tears forming. Her words felt alive, even though she was gone.
Jane, are you okay?
I didn't know she wrote this. I didn't know she saved these words for me.
Maybe she knew you'd need them one day.
Maybe.
Keep reading. There's more.
I looked down at the letter again. The next part wasn't emotional. It was educational, just like my mom always taught me. When life confuses you, learn from your past. If you talk about habits you had before, use used to, like you used to sing every morning. You used to draw stars everywhere. If something was happening in the past when something else happened, use I was doing when something happened. Like, you were crying when I hugged you.
Your mom was teaching even in a secret letter.
That's actually kind of cool.
At the bottom of the letter, there was one last line. If you want to remember who you are, Look inside the drawer under the stairs.
We have a drawer under the stairs.
Yes, Dad built it years ago.
Then what are we waiting for? Let's go.
We walked downstairs together. The house felt quieter than ever, like it was holding its breath with us. I opened the small hidden drawer. Inside was a small metal pendant, a tiny moon. Oh my God, this was Mom's.
I remember this. She used to wear it every evening.
Jane, she left this for you.
I touched the pendant. It felt warm, like a heartbeat. Suddenly, a memory hit me. Mother. Jane, when the world feels dark, remember, even the smallest moon can light a night. Will I ever be as brave as you? Oh, you already are. You just haven't seen it yet. The memory was so clear, like she was standing right in front of me again.
Mom believed in you, Jane.
And she still does, through these memories.
I think she wanted me to find this now. Not earlier, not later, but exactly today. When we talk about moments that connect the past and now, we use present perfect. I have kept this box for years. She has left this letter from me. I have remembered her words every day. Grammar is not just rules. Grammar is life, time, and emotion.
So, what will you do with the necklace?
I hope so. Thank you for spending this day with me. We found a letter, a memory, and a piece of my heart. And along the way, we learned simple English patterns that help us tell our stories clearly. If this story touched you, please like, share, and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, who is one person whose words you still remember? Until next time, stay gentle, stay curious, and keep your memories close. Goodbye, my friend.